In this quick video, I'll show you how to send Tron TRX to Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, click deposit here and then click deposit crypto. Then select TRX as your coin, type down TRX and then select your network. You can choose any network here. For example, we're going to use BSC. Then copy the address and then go to any wallet or exchange you want. For example, Trust Wallet. Then click here, click send, and then paste the address. And now you can type the amount of TRX you want to send. But since this is on Binance Smart Chain, you must have a BNB in your Trust Wallet to pay for the gas fee. Then after you type the amount of TRX you want to send, click preview and then wait for the transaction to be completed. Once you have typed down the amount of TRX you want to send, click preview here. Just pay for the gas fee and wait for the transaction to be completed. Then you will see here your recent deposits. As you can see, I have deposited 12.38 TRX from Trust Wallet and you can see it here. And if you have any questions about how to send Tron TRX to Binance, leave a comment below.